Hi guys, I wanted to show you how to use the NLA Editor for Arma Reforger to take the vanilla inspection poses, for example, and adjust them to your weapon. I have taken the M21 inspection, erected left-in animation, and it looks something like this. For the last frame, I have rotated it a little bit more, so it fits more in the frame of the eyes, like the first-person camera in game. We'll fix this transition right here in this video as well. So what I've done, I have my default animation file right here, my action, and I will push this down in the NLA editor. If you don't know how to open it, you just go to the top right here, then you have like a crosshair, and you just drag your cursor. That will open another window, and up here you go to nonlinear animation, and then you're at this window. So what you're going to do is going to select the strip, the clip of the animation, and you're just going to, instead of replace, combine. So then you will make the end frame as long as the animation, and you will then duplicate this animation and, for example, call it adjusted. You will delete it from here. Well, I don't know why, but it worked for me at least. So you're just going to delete these tracks, and you will make a fake user, so to save it. What I want to do now is I have my IK set up already for the weapon to touch the shoulder and be positioned correctly. I will just mark the right hand and prop and left hand and prop. I will copy, and I will go over to my adjusted. What is really important that you disable the auto keying. Otherwise it could break the adjustment. So now I just paste my IK position. I hit K to open the insert keyframe menu, and I select location. If you are going to rotate stuff, then you can, of course, like location and rotation and other stuff. But for me, I want to keep the animation as vanilla as possible, so I just use the location. Okay, so location. And I will do this for frame 1 as well. Okay, so we have this set up right now. You see it's the same. What you now want to do is you want to delete all the frames in between, so from 2 to 19. So you're only left with 0, 1, and the 20, so like the last frame. This already fixed the issue with the weapon teleporting from frame 19 to 20. So it looks way smoother now. And what you now want to do is you, for example, go to frame 20. You move your hands where you want them to be positioned. Yeah, that's okay. Hit K, location. And for this hand as well. Yeah, that's okay. Hit K, location. So now you have keyframes for only the location. The rotation and stuff will be the same as vanilla. And if we just go back again, it's already looking far better than the vanilla one. So now you just go frame per frame, like I go each 5 frames. I will adjust my hands. So I hit K, location. Now for my right hand. Let's move it a little bit backwards and out. Yes, this works. K, location. I go to frame 10. I will do the same. I will adjust the hand a little bit. Yeah, looks okay. And now this one. This is a little bit offset here. Looks better, okay. And now to frame 15. We will arrange this. Yeah, it's okay. And now this. You can already see that it's looking far better. You're just going to drag this out now. A bit up. Yes, that's location. And now you have the rough shape of your hand position for the new inspection animation. You can also do like keyframes for the props. Example like this, but works already. So yeah, that's it. I can also adjust the fingers now. So for example, this one. Go to fingers details. And you just, I found it that this rotation menu right here is far better than if you use this one. Because if you, for example, want the finger to just go down like this, then yeah, it won't really work. It will go like this and stuff. It's not cool. If you go to X right here, it will just move the finger like this. Then you go a little bit like Y. The finger has to go out a little bit. Okay. Yeah, so far better already. I like the thumb. Just move it up a little bit. Out. Alright, yeah, I forgot to make keyframes, I think. Alright, so that way look, right here. This finger is also broken. Yeah, looks better already. So I'm just, now for this one you have to use the rotation, right? Since we rotated the fingers. Okay, and now it should already play better. Example for this one, I will just delete this keyframe. Yeah, you would have to tinker around a little bit. Just going to undo that. But yeah, this is how you roughly set up the hands for the inspection animation. What you're going to do now is you will grab the adjusted, you will push it down, and you will select both. And then under strip, you will bake action. I have deselected only selected bones. I hit OK, and it has created an action, and you just can like call it like this and finished or whatever. So now you have this. You're just going to save now, because if you lose it, it's you have to do it again, of course. And now you are ready to export the animation. You just go to Infusion Animation, Export, and you're just going to find your finished one right here. Just going to click this one, Add. You are going to search for 240, upper body ADD underscore head ADD underscore arms ABS. And for example, you will just call it P98K underscore inspect erg left in Rus. And you're just going to hit OK. Oh, yeah, true. Forgot that one. For this one, I have usually just picked the regular one. And I hit OK. So now it's exported into the workbench. And I will now assign it to my player animation. So it's the left inspection in for erected. So I'm just going to search for it. And I have it right here. Now just delete it so it's actually fresh. So I just don't use the old one I did. The finished one, yes, okay. I'll go back here. I will search for my animation now, and I have it right here. I will paste it in. I will save it. And now we can already test it in game. So if I equip it now and hold R, yes, of course. Sometimes it's still breaking a bit because I don't have the loop one. Let me just add the AK loop. Yeah, I did that one wrong. Good. That's my issue right here. No, should be this. Yeah, of course, it was this. Okay, so now I'm going to add this one back. I'm going to save it, and I'm going back in game. And now it should... Yeah, now it's working. Because it's the loop, it's still showing the finger right here. But, yeah, so for the like the turning in, okay. Now my weapon is broken again, because I'm missing some animations. But if you grab it right now, I'll double click and I'm going to press R. You can see that the first few frames are still my adjusted animation, and then it's going over to the AK loop. You would have to adjust that as well. Yeah, but that's how you do the NLA adjustment of the default animations. Oh yeah, my weapon is broken again. So yeah, now it's working again.